Namaste. Hi Jian, how are you? I'm fine, I hope you are also fine. Yesterday we have discussed the mood exam question. What the problem is? 14.2 exercise. Okay? So we are discussing about the second problem. Okay? Now, now look at the page number 341. Exercise 14.2 second problem. Okay? Now, the following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. Means what? Electrical component means tubelight, fan, computer, TV, items. Okay? Now, the data is given. Lifetime in hours given. Frequency is given. Determine motor lifetime of the component. Motor lifetime means nothing but mode. Means we have to find the value of mode by using the given data. Okay? So the data is 0 to 20, 10, 20 to 40, 35, 40 to 50, 52, 50 to 80, 51, 80 to 100. 80 to 100 how much? 80 to 100, 38, 100 to 120, 29. Okay? Now, in this, which is having the highest frequency 61. So this is nothing but F1. Okay? F1 equal to 61. Okay? Now, this is F0. F0. Okay? Now, this is F2. This is F2. Okay? Since the 61 is the highest frequency, the 60 to 80 gas is something called the mode gas. Okay? The 60 to 80 gas is known as the mode gas. So the raw boundary of the gas is 60. So A equal to 60. Okay? Now, A equal to 60. Okay? A equal to 60 comma F1 equal to 61. F1 equal to 61. Okay? Now, F0 equal to 52. F0 equal to 52. Okay, now F2 equal to 38. Okay, 38. Now H equal to what? F2 equal to 38. Okay, H equal to what? 20. Difference between we need to only have two classes. 20 minus 0, 20. 40 minus 20, 20. So H equal to 20. Okay, now mode equal to, now you are to find the value of mode. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 by 2F1 into 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay? Into H2. Okay, equal to this is the mode formula is F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, now what is here is 50. 50 plus 50 plus F1. F1 into what? 51. 51 minus 52. 52 by 2 into 51. 2 into 51 minus F dot 52 minus 38. Minus 52 minus 38. 52 minus 38 into 20. H equal 20. Okay? Now, simplify. Okay? 50, 51. Okay? Now, 50 plus 51 minus 52, 9. 9 by 2 under 2. 2 6 12, 122 minus 122 minus 52, 38. How much? Add minus into minus plus. So we have to add. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 how much? 10. 1. Okay? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9. 122 minus 90 into 20. Into 20. Okay? Now equal to 50 plus 9 into 20. 9 into 20 plus by 122. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay? 2 minus 9, 3. Okay? 32. Okay? This is the nothing but the simplify value, no? Simplify with the 4. 4 is 32. Okay? 4 is 10. 4 is 20. 4 is 32. 4 is 22. 9 is 45. So 60 plus 45 by 8. Okay? 9 is 45. 45 by 8. Okay? 45 by 8. 45 divided by 8. 45 by 8. Okay? Now 8 figure 8 figure 40. Okay? 40. 8. 5 remain. Okay? Point. Okay? Now 50. 8 figure 48. Okay? 2. 20. Again. 8 to the 16. Okay? Again. 4. 0. 8 figure 40. 0. So, the division multiplication answer equal to 50 plus 5.65. Okay? 5.65. 625. Okay? Now the mode equal to 50 by 55. Okay? So 55.625. Okay? The mode equal to 55. Okay, 55 years. Okay, so the mode equal to what? 6.25 years. Okay, now so the mode equal to 65.65. Okay, so the model lifetime of the component is 65.65 years. Okay, the model lifetime of component is 65.65 hours. Okay, now next problem. Okay, third problem you can discuss now. Now, next problem. Okay? Problem number 3 in your exercise 14.2. Okay? Here's the problem. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure 200 families of Gummadi village. Find a modern monthly expenditure families. Okay? Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Okay? Now, in one Gummadi family, there are number of families and the expenditure for each family is given. Okay? Now you have to find out the mode and mean of the given data. Okay? The given data is 1000 to 1524, 1500 to 2040, 2000 to 2533, 2500 to 3028, 3000 to 3530, 3500 to 4022, 4000 to 4515, 4500 to 5007. Okay? Now this is the given data. Okay? Now we have to find the mean and mode. Okay? Now 24, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay? 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 7, 30. 23 plus 7, 30. Okay? Okay, now 3. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. So sigma f equal to 200. Okay? Now. Okay? Now. Now, 1000 plus 1500, how much? 1000 plus 1500, how much? 2500. 2500 by 2. So, 1250. 1250. Okay? Next. Now, 1500 to 2000 means 3500. Means 1750. Okay? 1750. 1750. Okay? Now, 1750. Next is 2250. Okay? Why the height is the height of the data is height of the capacitor is 500. So H equal to 500. H equal to 500. H equal to 500. Okay? Now, to do higher, next is 2050. 2050. Okay? Now, 2050. Next, 2050. Next, 3250. 3250. Okay, now 3750. 3750. Okay, next 3750. Next 16 4250. 4250. Okay, next 4750. Okay, 4750. Okay, okay, now the very heavy big group you can't be in that one. So you can go to Ajimuminer. Okay, the problem is really simple. Okay, now FY300, FY okay. Okay. Now, for DA. Okay, DA equal to what? Okay. Okay, DA. Whatever. Assume that I got A equal to T250. Okay, T250. Okay, now what you can add? T250 minus 1250. 0 and 0. Okay, 5 minus 5 0. Okay, 32 minus 12. 32 minus 12 how much? 32 minus 12 how much? 32 minus 12, 2000. Minus 2000. Okay? Minus 2000. Next, 0. 70 minus 3250. Huh? 5 minus 0. Okay? 12 minus 5. Okay? So minus 2500. Okay, next minus, sorry, that is not minus 2500, minus 1500. Okay, minus 1500. Okay, minus 1500. Okay, now see 5 minus 5 0. Now 12 minus 5. Okay, now see 1 by 2 minus 1 1. Okay, next minus 1000. Minus 1000. Okay, now again minus 500. Minus 500. Okay, next 0. Next 500. 1000. 1500. Okay, 1500. Okay, now again this I have more. Okay, so you can go to subdivision method. Okay, subdivision method is very helpful in this type of problem, because with the help of subdivision method you can get a small number of values. Okay, so UI equal to what? UI. Okay, U equal to what? U equal to what? dA by H. What is H? H equal to 1500. What do we got? H equal to 500. Okay, H equal to 500. Okay? H equal to 500. Okay? Now, divide. Minus 2000 by 500. Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay? Minus 3. Okay? Next minus 2. Next minus 1. 0. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Simple. Now, multiply. Okay? Now, 24 4 the F5 UI. Okay, F5 UI. Okay, F5 UI. Okay? F5 UI what? 24 4 the minus 96. Minus 96. Okay? 40 minus 3 the 40 the minus 12 minus 120 minus 120. Okay, next 33 2 the 33 2 the 56 minus 56. Okay, next 28. 28 1 the 28 1 the 28 minus 28 minus 28. Okay, now that is 0 0. Okay, now 22 1 the 22. Okay, now 16 to the 32. 16 to the 32. Okay, now 70 the 21. Okay, 21. Okay, now what do I got the I of sigma F? Sigma F equal to what? 200. Okay, sigma F equal to sigma F equal to sigma F equal to 200. Okay, now okay, now count 96 96 120. Okay, 56 28 28. Count 86 14 14 to 6 20. Okay, 20. Okay, now 900 to 7 700 to 13 13 to 6 90 19 to 21 21. So 2 plus 1 3 300 minus 300. Okay, that's 22 plus 32 plus 21. 22 plus 32 plus 21. Okay, so count 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 5. Okay, now 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 3 7. Okay, 75. Now minus 300 plus minus 300 75. Okay, now what you can add? 5 30 minus 7 23. 30 minus 7 23. So minus 235. Minus 235 can get as sigma Fy xi value. Sigma Fy xi equal to sigma Fy xi value equal to minus 235 minus 235. Okay, 235. Okay, now we got. Now here which is the height value 40. This is F0, F1. Okay, F1, F2, F0. Okay, now this is the Maracas. Okay, and the frequency is known as Maracas. Maracas. Okay, so it is equal to 1500. It is equal to 1500. Okay, now F1 equal to 40. F1 equal to 40. Okay, F0 equal to 24. Okay, F2 equal to 33. 33. Now we have to calculate the mean and mode for this given data. Okay. Now we have to calculate the value of mean and mode. Okay. First of all, we can calculate the value of mean by using subdivision method. Okay. X equal to x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay, now to calculate what is T250. T250 plus of minus 235 and 235 by 200 into 200 into what is HI find? Okay. Okay, HI find. Okay. Now 2 zeros get cancelled. Okay. Now equal to T250 percent minus. Okay. Now multiply 5 by 25. Okay. 2. Now, 5 is 15. 15 by 2, 17. Okay. Now, 5 2 is 10. 10 to 1, 11. 1175 by 2. Okay. Nothing but T250 minus 1175 by 2. 1175 divided by 2. 2 division. 2 by 10. Okay. Minus 1 17. 2 by 16. 1 again 15 new, 2014 new. Okay, again 1 new remains. Then take point. Okay, 587.5. Then 2 minus 10 new. 0. 10 new. You can get 0 value. Okay, so T2 here minus 587.5. 587.5. Okay? No, 587.5. Okay? Okay? Now, subtract. Subtract the values. Then you can get the mean value. Okay? By using substitution. Okay? Lot of mean. Okay? Now, T2 by 0.0. T2 by 0.0. Again, 587.5. Okay? Now, do subtraction. Okay? 10 boy 10 minus 5. Okay? 9 minus 1 2. Okay? Again 2 borrow 14. Okay? 14 minus 8 6. Okay? Now 31. Again borrow 11 minus 5 6. Okay? 2 extra 2. Okay? So now answer is rupees xy equal to rupees 2,662.5. Okay? Means what? 2,662 rupees 55. I think so. Okay? 5 means 55. We have to think. Okay? This is the mean value. Now, in the third problem, we have got the mean value as 2,662.50 rupees. Okay? Now we have to calculate the mode value. Okay? Now mode equal to, first of all we have to write the values. H equal to 500. Okay? L equal to 1500. Okay, F1 equal to 42. F1 equal to what? 40. F0 equal to what? F0 equal to what? 24. F2 equal to 15. F2 equal to what? 33. Okay? F2 equal to 33. Okay? No. Calculate the value. Okay? So calculate the value. More equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 into 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h, okay, equal to first values 1500 plus f1 equal to what? 40 minus 24 by 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into h equal to what? Find. Okay, now equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24 was 16. Okay, 16 by 80 minus 24 minus 33, how much? Minus 24 minus 33, minus plus, so 57. Okay, 57 into 500. Okay, now equal to 1500 plus 15 by 80. Okay, 8000 by 80 by 59 equal 23. Okay, do the division. Okay, enough. 8000 divided by 23. Okay, 23. Okay, now 23 these are 59. Okay, 23 these are 59. Okay, 11. Take 0. 23 4 the 92. Okay, 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 9. 23 4 the 92. Okay, now 192, 18. Okay, now take down 0. Now 180. 180 means 27 the. 27 the. How much? 7 3 are 21. 2. Okay, 7 2 are 14. 14 to 16. 151. Okay, again 19. 19 you can get. Okay, now put a point 0. Okay, now 23 8 184. 184. Okay, 6 0 again 23 2 the 23 2 the 22 the 46. Okay, this is a repeating this one. So 80 minus 46 was 4 7 3 34. Okay, the remainder 34. Answer is equal to 1500 plus 347 347.82. Okay, now nothing but 15 plus 6 18. So 1847 1847.82 rupees. Okay, So the main expenditure is 2,662 rupees 55, and the modern monthly expenditure is 1,847 rupees 82 paise. Okay, this is your second third problem. Tomorrow we can discuss next problem. Okay, thank you, Riva.